G'day, it's Mark here. Welcome back to the channel. Check out this cool car. XB Falcon GS. I don't think it's a GT, but it's sort of done up like a GT, unless it's a work in progress. It's got the GS driving lights and also the hood scoops there. Sort of a nice grey colour with silver highlights. Really cool sedan. XB from what, 73 to 76. It's got a key in its boot, which is a bit odd. But, gee, it's a lovely example, isn't it? It's a manual. It's got the sports steering wheel and the sports dash. Really nice black interior. Beautiful car. I'd say it's a work in progress. Got the globe wheels. Yeah, that's very nice. Not sure of the engine because it's not on the vehicle itself, so I don't know whether it's a 351. The GT had a 351 4V, which is 4 Venturi for the carburetor. So I assume that's what it's got. You'd hope a V8, but not sure. It's got the GT fuel cap as well, and it's got those exhaust tips. So I'd say maybe a 351. Anyway, it's just a really quick grab, opportunistic while I was out. I saw this and thought I'd share it. So thanks again for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you next time.
Hey guys, Rob Wolf from American Pickers. I'm trying to figure out why you're not subscribing to Mark Bear. Now, he calls it beer, but I call it bear, okay? Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Kick butt.